What is odinana and how is it different from religion?
Thank you. Igbo spirituality. What religion? Let me start from religion. Religion all over the world is the same. But ordinary Igbo is a spirituality, it's not a religion. Yes. What is the religion? Ordinary Igbo walk what the spirituality to say bindo. Mana ordinary Igbo originally is not structured in a way of religion. That is why it's very easy for foreigners to conquer us. When the missionaries came, they find out that we are spiritual people, but we are running the race on individual basis. So it's very easy for them to cajole us and introduce their own religion, and that is the what we are trying to correct now. We have made of my own research. I found out that if we continue to pursue our Igbo spirituality on individual basis, we still face the same challenge our forefathers faced during their era that made it possible for the Anyari people, the whites, to confuse them and they take away our spirituality. They bamboos our spirituality, giving our spirituality name. Let me give you an example for you to understand. What is religion? Religion, according to dictionary, is when two or more people comes together to propagate their belief or concept, and they propagate their belief. That is religion because they have come together, got registered, working as a team, propagating their ideas to the others. That is or become religion. But before now, Igbo spirituality is just spirituality, no religion attached. That's why we that believe in reformers, believe that Igbo spirituality should work in hand, project it in form of religion, so that you will go far. Let me give you an example. During the time of our fathers, ndị nna anyị ha na-eje n'ugwu, ụmụ nwoke na-eje n'ugwu, leaving women and children at home. They don't actually understand what is going on in Oku. So if you are not properly carry them along, if they go to school and somebody cajole them by telling them your brother and your father go to Oku to go and kill people, but they are doing this one, Oku, they don't understand it. That's why I bought the idea of odinana. Yes, like other religion. It's a way of worshiping, practicing spirituality while carrying everybody along. Mama, papa, brother, and the father. All of them are there. So like what I create non-Agodian religion, you can't tell what I create tomorrow that Nanya, the general Kumo, as in Otra. Yes, he had a church, no Otra. Now, I was here about one of you, it was so quick. It's in one and Nanya, because all were living witness. So, here in the building, no code is a system, another platform, another method to propagate our spirituality as a unit, as a group, carrying along Omaze, Mama, Omokrobia, Noma, and then in the same vehicle, so that they will understand it, so that nobody will cajole them anymore. Thank you.